family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for taking a moment out of y'all's day to view my video. Thank you to all the subscribers that have subscribed thus far. I really and truly appreciate you guys. Help this channel grow. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, whatever you can do to contribute. Anyway, let's get into this recipe, y'all. We got some southern smothered meatballs in gravy and some mashed potatoes, baby. It's finna go down, y'all. Let's go over the ingredients. We got some russet potatoes. We got some sharp cheddar cheese, baby. You know how I do with the cheese, baby. We got the brown gravy. We're gonna cheat a little bit on that gravy, you know what I mean? Save some time and some money. We got some almond unsweetened milk. We got some black pepper, garlic pepper, onion powder, sea salt, you know what I'm saying? We got some saltine crackers. We got 2 small eggs. I'm using 2. I usually use 1 per pound, but we using 2 small eggs. We got some minced garlic. We got some red onion, and we got some butter, baby. Make you stutter, okay? Yes, let's get into it, guys. So I washed and sliced these potatoes, russet potatoes. I think this is the best potato for mashed potatoes, in my opinion. Can't go wrong with the russet, baby. Old trusty, all right? So, yeah, we chopped these in half. And we are going to bring them to a rolling boil so they can soften up, baby. Okay, guys, while those mashed potatoes are cooking, well, they're not mashed yet, but while those russet potatoes are cooking, we're going to go ahead and work on our meatballs. We got that 80-20. We got some red onion we throwing up in that thing. We got some garlic we throwing up in that thing. You know what I'm saying? We got 2 eggs, and they're really small eggs, so that's why I'm using 2 to this 1 pound. Usually I add 1 per pound, 1 egg per pound. And we're also going to go in with some garlic powder. We're going to go in with some onion powder. You know what I'm saying? We're going to go in with that black pepper, baby. Love me some black pepper. And we got to put some of that sea salt, okay? Yes, it's going to be good in season. Okay, and then we're going to go in with them saltine crackers. And I don't know, it's the kid in me that loves to crush up stuff. But I enjoyed this thoroughly, okay? So, yeah, I'm crushing up these crackers, maybe like 6 or 7 crackers. And I'm going to go ahead and get a good mix in, squish it all together, let those flavors combine. And so now we are going to go ahead and make our meatballs. And it ain't got to be perfect. You want to do like a golf size, smaller than a golf size meatball. You want everything to cook evenly and thoroughly through. So that's why I'm making it the size that I'm making it. Trust me, I do everything for a reason. You know what I mean? So, yeah, we're going to go ahead and get this going. And this is how it should turn out. So now we're going to go ahead and get our cast iron skillet oil down, and we're gonna go ahead and add the meatballs. Okay, I cannot wait for this meal to get done, y'all. I'm hungry. And I mean that explanation. Okay, I left the gym. I know I shouldn't be eating this, but hey, it's Sunday, and I'm trying to bring some comfort to my life because I gotta go back to work again. So, yeah, we going to have some southern comfort today, okay? So, yeah, I got my meatballs cooking, and I'm flipping them. And also, we got those potatoes that are going there at a nice boil. And I'm going to kind of move them around so they can cook evenly through. So, yeah, baby, it's finna go all the way down, and it's coming together, okay? So, let me give y'all a little close-up on these meatballs. They are looking delicious, guys. I am so ready for these meatballs. And yeah, we are going to go ahead and start with the gravy. Now, I don't know what happened with my camera. malfunction or something, but I did not get to show y'all me dumping this in. But all it is beef broth, 2 cups of beef broth, and then our gravy mix. The gravy mix is the McCormick mix that you see right here. We are going to add that together, and we are doing things the easy way. You know what I'm saying? I'm not making it from scratch. I didn't have half of the stuff to make it from scratch. So this is what you got right here. You know what I'm saying? And sometimes you don't want to do everything the hard way. You just want to do it the easy way, okay? So I'm showing you guys today how to make it simple and easy, all right? So we're going ahead and whisk that down, and then we're going to throw that bad boy in the microwave, get it nice and hot, and we're going to stir it again. And we are going to get ready to add it back into our meatballs. So I'm going to let this go for about 2.5 minutes, okay? So now that gravy is done, we're going to go ahead and dump that gravy into those meatballs. And y'all, I had that fire up entirely too high, so I had to move it out. But this is how they turned out, guys. Look at that, man. If that don't look good, I don't know what look good to you. Man, oh my goodness. So now we are going to go ahead and work on these mashed potatoes. And I just want to make sure that they are fork tender. You know what I'm saying? Give it a little poke. Make sure it goes all the way through. And they are good to go, guys. We are going to go ahead and mash these down like so. And yes, we're going to add all of our ingredients to make the mashed potatoes A1, baby. So we got our almond milk. And we're going to add just a little bit of that. It's unsweetened. We're going to add some cheese, baby. Gotta have that cheese, you know what I'm saying? You know my love for the cheese now. Come on now. And we got our butter. Now, I ain't trying to be like Paula Deen adding all the butter, but baby, you gotta have some butter up in here, okay? Butter make it stutter. Gotta have that butter, man. The richer your potatoes are, the better, okay? And then we gonna go in with just a little bit of sea salt. We ain't gonna go crazy. You know what I'm saying? Gotta watch that hypertension, you know what I mean? So, yeah, we gonna add just a little bit right there. And we're going to also go in with a nice amount of black pepper. I don't play about the black pepper, y'all. Hey, say what y'all want to say. Black pepper is where it's at, all right? So I'll put some black pepper up in there, a good amount. And then we are going to go ahead and add some garlic powder. You know what I'm saying? A little bit of that garlic powder, a little bit of that onion powder. Okay, drop you a little bit up in there like that. All right, and then we gonna give it a nice stir. We gonna stir everything around. Everything's gonna melt and combine beautifully because them potatoes is steaming, baby. I got a nice facial from them potatoes. So yeah, we gonna give it a nice stir, and then we gonna go ahead and plate, baby. It's time to eat. Oh my goodness. So I'm taking a nice little scoop, maybe 2 or 3 scoops. And I am going to add my meatballs. I had to wash that spoon off because I only had 1 spoon. My other spoon was getting ready to be washed. So yeah, here we go. We got a nice amount of gravy. And y'all, look at that, man. That stuff looks so good. Man, your girl stuck her big toe up in that stuff, man. Man, yes. And this is the finishing product, guys. Gotta get that money shot, all right? Y'all, make this super simple recipe. Let me know in the comments how it turns out. Thank you guys for watching, okay? Ooh-wee, look at that, y'all. Ooh, I put my big toe up in that, baby. Yes, got the meatballs, mashed potatoes with some gravy, baby. Yes, can y'all see that right there? Ooh-wee, baby, let's have a bite. Ooh, I know it's gonna be immaculate. Potatoes on point, baby. Ooh, let's have a bite of this meatball. Ooh, we Baby, this A1 steak sauce, baby, okay? Hey, if y'all like what y'all seeing, go ahead and subscribe to your girl channel. Drop a like, all that good stuff, man. Be more on life, baby. If you ain't living it up, what you doing, okay? Yes, I'm out of here, y'all. Peace.